Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to disable Copilot Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you wish to deactivate Copilot on Windows 11, you can proceed with the following steps. So the first step would be, begin by opening the settings. Now, within the settings window, choose personalization from the options on the left. Look for the taskbar section or relevant settings. Disable Copilot under the specified taskbar items. For most accurate and updated information, it is advisable to refer to the official Microsoft support, documentation or community forums for Windows 11. This concludes the steps on how to disable Copilot in Windows 11. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.